সো 6 ডে সেকেন্ড লেকচার আমরা কিছু অঙ্ক করব পরপর। প্রথম প্রবলেম, তো এক্ষেত্রে আমরা পরপর দেখি বি স্কোয়ার মাইনাস 4ac-র ভ্যালুটা কত হচ্ছে। দিস ইজ টার্নিং টু বি 4x square y square minus 4x square y square itself so equal to 0. Now discriminant turns to 0 means this is a parabolic type PDE. So the characteristic equation is dy dx is equal to minus xi x over xi y is equal to beta over 2a is equal to minus 2xy over 2y square is equal to minus x over y, and y this side, x this side, so we have y square plus x square is equal to constant. So we say that xyln xy is equal to y square plus x square is one of the characteristic equation, and for this case the eta coordinate will be chosen arbitrarily. So what we will do, we take that eta xy to be say y square minus x square, and so one by one all those steps you can see that your a bar is equal to a xyln x square, so y square 2x sorry this is y square 2x square, and then b is minus 2xy xyln x xyln y, so 2x 2y plus c is x square then y is 2y, so 4 by 2y whole square, and this is actually 4x square y square 4x square y square, so we have 8x square y square, and there another 8x square y square is there, so this is equal to 0. And on a similar run we dashed that is with this formula we see 2a 2y square xyln x eta x, xyln x is 2y, eta x is xyln x is 2x, eta x is minus of 2x plus b is minus 2xy xyln x is 2x, eta y is 2y plus xyln y is 2y, eta x is minus 2x plus 2c 2x square xyln y is 2y, and eta y is 2y as well, so we have minus 8x square y square plus there 4xy this cancels out, so this term 8x square y square equal to 0. Very fine. And c bar is equal to a xyln x square. A is y square and xylem a sorry this is eta x, and eta x is equal to minus 2x square plus b minus 2xy b into eta x eta y. Eta x is minus 2x and eta y is 2y plus c is x square and eta y is 2y square. So we have this minus 2x square y square plus 8x square y square plus 4x square y square. So sorry, this is 4 and we have 8x square y square, right? If I'm not wrong, you just check the result. I hope I have not made any mistake. And so we had if we see all other parts, okay, so d bar is equal to a, that is y square, a xylem xx is 2, then b x and y both are coming and there is no such term, right? So this part is 0 and third part is c, that is x square xylem yy, again another 2, then d xy x 2x and e, actually I'm making a mistake, I guess. D is minus y square by x, so there is minus y square by x, and e is minus x square by y, and this will be multiplied by eta y, so this is 2y, so ultimately we have 2y square plus 2x square and minus 2y square minus 2x square, and this is equal to 0. E bar a, that is y square eta xx is 2 minus 2, sorry, and b exy is eta xy is equal to 0 and eta yy is 2 x square is x square again, and then d is minus y square over x multiplied with eta x is minus 2x, and next one is minus x square over y and minus 2y. We have 2y square plus 2x square, and this part is plus 2y square, and this part is this is 2y, actually I have made a mistake, and that part is gonna be 2x square, and this is equal to 0. again, and finally, will there be any f? No, f dash is equal to 0 is equal to g bar. So ultimately, what is our equation turning to be? This is 8x square y squared u eta eta is equal to 0, and that is actually u eta eta is equal to 0 itself. And if you want to solve it, then that will be two functions of xylem, because this is differentiation all with respect to eta. So first u eta is equal to some function of xylem, and then again whenever you are integrating with that, then that will be f1 u is equal to f1 xi multiplied with an eta, because this is integrated, and another function of xylem which has became 0 when you have differentiated that with respect to eta. So where f1 and f2 are two arbitrary function of xylem. So this is the solution.